Hello guys, this is Jacob Stenson for another video of Exam P preparation. Today we'll be doing a pretty basic probability theory problem, so let's get right to it. So the question we'll be doing is number 179 on the sample SOA site for Exam P. If you need to pause the video to write the problem down, this will be the time. The problem states, this year a medical insurance policyholder has probability of 0.7 of having no emergency room visits, 0.85 probability of having no hospital stays, and 0.61 of having neither emergency room or hospital stays. Calculate the probability that the policyholder has at least one emergency room visit and at least one hospital stay this year. All right, let's solve it. So let's bring up our notepad. Okay, so let's open a new page. Okay, so this is number 179. And we're going to let X be the event of at least one emergency room stay. We're going to let Y be the event of at least one hospital stay, just to shorthand it. Okay, so we're told that there is a 0.7 probability that there will be no emergency room stays. So we know that the complement of that would be our event X, which would be the complement of having no emergency room stays is obviously having at least one. So we know the probability of X is equal to 0.3. Same idea for Y. So we know that the probability of not having a hospital stay is 0.85. So in this case, the event of having at least one hospital stay would be 0.15. All right. And then we are told that the probability of having neither emergency room stay or a hospital stay would be 0.61. So the probability that you would have one or the other is 0.39. So the probability of X union Y equals 0.39. Again, that comes from the fact that, as I said, we are told that the probability of having no hospital stays is 0.61. Sorry, the probability of having neither one or the other is 0.61. So we know that the probability that you have at least one or the other is 0.39. Okay, so we have all of it written down from the problem. Now, the goal is we need to find, the goal is probability we have at least one emergency room stay and at least one hospital stay. Okay, so putting this goal into word form would be the probability that X, or sorry, we need to find the probability of the intersection of X and Y. Why is that? Because X and Y are the event of at least one emergency room stay and a hospital stay. And to find the probability that we have one of each is the intersection. Okay, so we know that the formula for the probability of X union Y equals the probability of X plus the probability of Y minus its intersection, which is the probability of X intersects Y. Well, this is what we want to find. And just to kind of give you the theory behind this formula, if you draw a Venn diagram where this is X and this is Y, the probability of X union Y is the probability of X or Y. So you would do probability of this X plus the probability of Y, but since there's an overlap, you've got to subtract the intersection. That's kind of the theory behind that. Okay, so now we're ready to solve. So we know what the probability of X union Y is. It's 0.39. So we'll plug in 0.39 equals probability of X is 0.3 plus the probability of Y is 0.15. And now this is a simple algebra problem to solve for your unknown, which is probability of X intersect Y. If you solve for the unknown, you end up getting the probability of X intersect Y equals 0.06. And that is your answer. All righty. Well, thank you for watching another video for exam P preparation. As always, please like, comment, and or subscribe. But make sure you subscribe. And thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.